Yeah. Hi, CG. How are you?
Hello, hello, hi. Tell me.
Yeah. Okay.
After long,
Yeah. Okay. So finally, you got time for class, right?
want to revise whatever we learned till now. So I want to
Okay.
do today, and then we'll continue the next.
Okay.
So
Okay.
how to start that then? Whatever you taught me, I just want to revise. Otherwise, there's no point to continue because I think like many things, I'm just struggling like how to if you could show me how to type fast with the keyboard,
Okay.
when we
Okay.
what
Just
is the tech?
okay. Just give me a moment. I'm sharing a picture with you. Okay. That how you will put your finger on your keyboard. Which
Yeah.
finger you will put where? Okay. Just give me a
Exactly this
minute.
thing because I need a Harpal and they're really struggling like I forgot your name even. Pamjit. Am I right?
No,
Yeah.
Harpal. My name is Harpal.
Harpal, yeah. Harpal, I just want to need the basic of computer skill because without basic, it is really shameful. That's the thing. I'm going for a new job from next Tuesday,
Okay.
so I have to use more systems, typing and emailing and everything. So just thinking like it is really important for me. So you just start from the base and how to start, how to use the keyboard, how to type it. When the people see me, they should not see that I don't know how to use the system or something. That's what I'm really worried. Yeah.
Okay. Just give me a moment. I'm sharing a picture with you. So
Okay.
actually, this is a practice. Practice makes a man perfect. When you will do more and more practice, then you will know the
Yeah,
typing.
yeah. So I'm just
Okay.
doing that
Yeah.
now. Yeah.
Actually, it's a practice only. But I'm sharing a picture with you where to put your hand. Just give me a moment. Okay.
So along with that picture video, I have to do that too.
Wait. Only. Yeah. Save image and let's do. Now I'm sharing this picture. Just look at the picture and use your fingers same like this picture where people someone is using his or her picture on. Okay, same you will have to use your fingers. So I've shared this screen. It's shared with you. My screen is shared with you. Are you there? Yeah. Are you there, CG? Hello. What you are sharing? Yeah. You are sharing uh, your word screen with me. Just wait. Let me show you the picture of. of typing. So this is shared with you. Are you able to see this picture? Hello, hello, hello. Just wait. I'm sharing a picture with you. It's opening. I'm audible to you. Hello, Suji, are you there? Hello, I'm audible to you.